The next question, what is the relationship between the members of following pairs of structures? Are they structural or geometrical isomers or resonance contributors? Now let us quickly have a look on the first structure. In the first structure, I can see that there is double bond O, carbon double bond O. So it is having the ketonic group. So basically the functional group is same, right? In the A structure, we have a functional group same and molecular formula is also same. Functional group is same. At the same time, molecular formula is also same. But if I carefully look into the position of a C double bond O, okay, this is carbon and this is oxygen, carbon and oxygen. In the first case, the carbon, oxygen, it is present on third carbon and then here it is present on the second carbon. So definitely it is differing because of the position of the functional group. Okay, it is differing because of position of a functional group. Clear? And what is the question asked to us? We need to find out what is the relationship between the pairs. Are they structural or geometrical isomers? So basically they are what? They are structural isomers. Okay, in that also there is they belong to the positional isomers. Okay, now coming to the next one, B. Question B. Now over here, I can see there is a C double bond C and then C double bond C. Okay, that means there is what? There is a presence of a carbon double bond carbon. But if I carefully look into the groups present on the sides of the double bond, here we have deuterium and hydrogen, and then on the other side, hydrogen and deuterium. So if I carefully look into the hydrogen, hydrogen is present on the opposite side of the double bond. Yes or no? Okay. Whereas this deuterium, it is present on the opposite side of the double bond. So since it is oppositely present, we call this one as trans. Okay. There is trans isomer. The first structure is trans isomer. And then of course, the second one is what? Deuterium, deuterium present on same side of the carbon double bond carbon. So this is what? This is cis isomer. Okay. So it is basically showing trans and cis isomer, okay, respectively. And since it is showing trans and cis isomer, I can say that it is what? It is showing geometrical isomer. Okay. So it is geometrical isomers of each other, both the pairs, both the structures, sorry. Okay. Now coming to the next one, C. Here I can see, now what is the relation, what similarity I can see here. Now there is carbon double bond oxygen, here it is carbon single bond oxygen. Okay. Now suppose if I just simply pull this electron, this oxygen is pulling the electron towards itself, I will be getting this structure, single bond, and this carbon will be electron deficient. Yes or no? Okay, so basically both the structures are what? Both the structures are nothing but resonating structures of each other. So these are nothing but resonance. Okay, these are resonating structure, or I can say resonance isomers, okay, of each other. Clear? I hope the concept is clear to you. You can quickly take a screenshot of it. Still, if you have any difficulty, you can write down in the comment box. Thank you.